So this is another part that I'm not going to break down into its individual components. The head, it's got its valves and springs and all that inside it still. And I'm curious. Well, one thing I'll tell you, the VK45DE uses titanium valves, so you can assume that those are not too heavy, right? Okay, so let's put this on the scale. How much are we guessing for this? Well, should have learned my lesson with the crankshaft. I'm not just going to guess too wildly. Let's go with 37.8. Why? Because it's wild. Not too bad, 35. Not bad at all. So, there you have it. This is what your head weighs. At least what side is this? Right. This is the right side. Nope, this is the left side, actually. I know because of this. Left. So, yeah, there you go. Go with that L, not with that R. Left AR2. Let me weigh the other one. So that was 35. Just curious how balanced the thing is. I mean, yes, balance shouldn't matter too much if this thing is not rotating, but still. Okay. It was standing. How come I can't get it to stand this time? Feels just a little lighter. Let's go with 34.6. Yeah, like I'm calibrated to tell the difference in 0.4 gram. Holy moly, yeah. I guess getting better and better. And then, as I said, this is the right side because this says 1R, just like the other one. But here it says R, AR2. Makes sense, right? Okay, what else? The block, empty block.